Quick update here at Veranda building number 1 in Calusa Country Club. This building is coming along nicely. It is mostly sold out, only a couple of opportunities left, and we're looking at November for the closing. We'll walk inside a second floor D'Angelo, which is already sold, and we'll check out the view right behind it, looking at hole number 2. Let's check out the D'Angelo, unit 7123. So out front here, eventually this view is going to be blocked by garages and more verandas across the way. So you won't be able to see the hole number 1. But as we go through here and get out to the back lanai, you're going to see nice lake views with hole number 2. So we're looking western exposure, kind of a close-up of the lake of hole number 2. And you've got a little bit of the cart path and a little bridge. So really nice views. And just beyond, we have our Manor Home series, which is selling fast as well. We'll continue to look throughout this veranda, but if you are interested in learning more about any of the properties for new construction here in Calusa, feel free to reach out to me directly, 941-773-2792, arthur.richardson@lennar.com.